What's the meaning of Armageddon? Armageddon. Armageddon.
Armageddon. Armageddon. Armageddon refers to a final battle or world-ending event, often associated with the end times in religious prophecies. The term originates from the biblical passage in Revelation 16 verse 16, where it refers to the site of a great battle. In popular culture, Armageddon is often depicted as a catastrophic event that results in the destruction of civilization and the end of the world as we know it. It's a symbol of ultimate doom, indicating a scenario where humanity faces its ultimate and inevitable demise.